We're in Bells Beach, where we've been for a little while, catching up on work and checking out the local coastal walks. We'll be starting the second phase of our trip today, where we're heading all the way up north to Cape York. And to start with, we'll be going along the first part of the Great Ocean Road down to a place called Blanket Bay Campground, where we'll be staying overnight tonight in the national park. So let's go.
So we've just stopped at Kennett River for lunch, quick bite to eat, and this place is stunning. Check it out, how lush that is. What do you reckon?
It's nice.
Oh, it's nice. Yep, the Great Ocean Road is definitely not disappointing.
Got a perfect day of weather for it.
We're lucky.
And it's Monday, so there's hardly any traffic. Just stopped by Cape PATTON Lookout. Have a go at this place.
Let's get moving.
Let's get moving. This place is awesome.
Just picked up firewood, like we didn't have enough stuff on our bikes, and we just realized, yeah, it's gonna be hard to carry this stuff. Anyway, we're really running out of daylight now, and we've just been told by the guy in the shop that, what did he tell us?
After all the rain, the road into the campsite, the dirt road, might be super slippery, muddy.
All right. Yeah, literally, let's hit the road.
So we're going to be in the dark when we get there.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a couple on the side of the road, just take it slow. Alright, Skip, just watch where you go. We just arrived in Blanket Bay Campground. We're a bit late, but that's alright. We've got about half an hour of light left to set up our camp, so we're going to do that. But first we're just going to go check out the beach real quick.
I guess it's high tide.
Yeah, that's pretty though, huh?
Yeah. Anyway, we gotta stop badassing around and get on with it.
Yep. Got work to do.
We do have work to do.
What are we having for dinner tonight, baby?
Good old 2-minute noodles. There weren't many options, but these are always a treat, aren't they?
Very healthy. Healthy
Very
eating.
healthy, yeah. So that's a healthy lifestyle. I was thinking, what, 3 bags for dinner?
3 bags for both of us?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that'll be good.
Yeah, we've got some eggs as well.
Oh yeah.
Kind
It's all the basic food groups.
Yeah, exactly.
Noodles and eggs.
Yeah.
Nice.
Carbs, protein, and your fats.
Yeah.
How's the ramen? It's great.
Yep. Nice. Hot.
It's good. What do you reckon?
Very nice.
It's very, very, very nice.
Okay, so we're calling it a night in Blanket Bay Campground after a full day coming down.
Yeah.
How you feeling, baby?
Feeling pretty wrecked, but we just had a nice dinner around the campfire with a couple of other campers. Had a few wines. Yeah.
We went from being the young bucks at the campgrounds in Cowra with all of the grey nomads around to now we're the grey nomads. We're the oldest ones here by far. We're hanging out with these 20-year-olds.
Yeah. Oh well. Anyway, it's late and it's time for bed, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, I know.
I was really
I'm shooting the shooter of the B-roll.